Francesco Gamba was born December 21, 1818, died May 10, 1887. He was an Italian painter, mainly of seascapes. Francesco initially studied law, but soon quit his college studies to sail for months around the Mediterranean and Europe. He returned to Turin to enroll in the Accademia Albertina, and in 1842, he participated in the Promotrice exhibition in Turin. At the exhibition of 1846, he submitted a dozen landscape paintings, reflecting his many trips. He continued to travel and paint throughout Europe, including France, Germany, Netherlands, Britain, and Norway. Between 1845 and 1855 met the landscape artists of the Schools of Fontainebleau and the Düsseldorf, and was influenced by the seascape painters Andreas Achenbach and Hermann Mevius. He preferred to paint outside in the open air, much like the Macchiaioli painters.